has been happening as a routine for some time. I am distressed by the way this sacredness was destroyed yesterday when some members sat on the table, some others climbed on the table of the house, perhaps to be more visible in such acts of sacrilege. I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts. As I spent a sleepless night, last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this august house to hit such a low yesterday.
करोड़ों रुपया खर्च होता है संसद की कार्रवाई के लिए। जब हमारे नियम प्रक्रिया में भी है कि बेल में ना आना, तख्ती न लगाना, नारेबाजी न लगाना, और ये अपेक्षाएं हम सभी मान्य सदस्यों से करते हैं, सभी दलों के नेताओं से करते हैं कि वो अपनी बात को रखें, लेकिन सदन में तख्तियां, नारेबाजी ये संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है, संसद की मर्यादाओं के अनुरूप नहीं है।
हम बार बार कहते थे कि हमारे जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम जो बात रख रहे हैं, ये देशवासियों को दिखाया जाए। अगर सरकार कुछ फैसला करेगा कि कौन सा जायज है नाजायज है, तो बड़ा मुश्किल होगा। ये देखना सरकार की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। इस तरीके की मनमानी की सरकार हमारे देश के लिए आज हम सबको और खासकर हमारे लोकतंत्र के लिए खतरा बनते जा रहे हैं।
This is a completely insensitive government. For the last 9 months, the farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Western UP are sitting on the borders of Delhi in thousands, and more than 500 people have lost their lives. They're sitting with their children, they're sitting with the old women over there, and this government has stopped any kind of dialogue with them. And it is our bunyadi hamara hak hai. It is the constitution provides us that members of parliament have to be listened to. The house was adjourned at that time. The house was not in order. Okay. It was adjourned. I went to the table and I threw the rule book on an empty chair. There was nobody sitting on the chair. It was a symbolic gesture.
सुनो, चेयरमैन ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया ना सवेरे, हाँ, वो बीजेपी में लिख के दिया स्टेटमेंट। और सुन लीजिए शरद पवार जी अभी जो बोला, व्हाट शरद पवार जी हैज सेड, 55 years he has been in politics as opposition in parliament. 55 years he has been in parliament, both in opposition and in government. He has never seen something like this. Today was a shame. Today was a shame. And if you want to know why is the opposition protesting? Why? Because Modi and Shah have bulldozed 36 bills without any discussion or scrutiny. Only one bill was discussed. It's a shame. 55 years of parliamentary politics, Sharad Pawar ji is saying.